Guys, welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now, a couple of days ago, I found out about a certain hack that in a way kind of gives an iPhone an Android-esque kind of look. So all this hack really does is just make so that you can move your apps almost anywhere you want. Now, since this is a hack and not a real feature, it's not going to work as well as if it was a real feature, but if you've been wanting that Android look on your iPhone, then this is definitely the hack for you. And this hack should work on any iPhone, even the iPhone 10. And if your phone doesn't have reachability turned on, then it's in the accessibility section in the settings app. Now also, if you do something wrong while you're doing this hack, and if your phone crashes or something like that, then I'm not responsible, because that definitely shouldn't happen. But if it does, then again, I'm not responsible, and I just wanted to put that out there. So all you need to do for this hack is just access reachability, and then hold on an icon for 1 to 2 seconds, and then drag that app above another app in a different row to make a folder. But then all you need to do is just tap out of the folder and then just swipe the page a little bit and it should reappear. Then take this and just move it over in wiggle mode over the app right here and drop it. Now when you do this, there's going to be a blank space. Then you guys can go ahead and remove this from the folder and just put it down over here, and it'll stay like that. Now, it most likely will not be removed by a restart, which is a little bit weird, but if you do decide that you change your mind or you don't like it or something like that, then you can undo this by just moving the original app back to its original place. So that's good to know. Oh, and by the way, this is what your phone will look like if you do this hack 2 to 3 times. Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you guys ever have any cool product ideas you'd like me to check out here on this channel, then don't forget to drop it down in the comment section down below. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.